Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I will read the theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, this is the formula, and this is an explanation of that theorem. And remember that names. A mean the perpendicular side, perpendicular to the base, okay, and the C the hypotenuse. The letter doesn't matter, can be changed, but remember the larger side is the hypotenuse, yeah, and the other base and perpendicular, yeah. Well, I will explain a little using GeoGebra. For example, I will draw a triangle and we change the size of the font. Okay, so here and I will calculate the length. Okay, for example, here I will draw a right triangle. Yep. Okay. Pythagoras was a mathematician that wants to found how you calculate that distance, the hypotenuse. Okay. So for I don't know 500 years before Christ, so many years ago, was very difficult or very hard to calculate that distance. Yeah, but Pythagoras was very lucky. Why? Because he found that triangle with exact lengths 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So the problem was how you relate the sides. Yeah, in a formula. So he found here 4, 3, and 5. If you calculate the square of every side, yeah, for example here, the square of 3 times 3 are 9. 4 times 4 are 16, and 5 times 5 are 25. If you add or sum, 9 plus 16 are equals to 25. This is the relation of that theorem. Yeah. An example that you can apply that. You want to run a cable from the top of a tower 25 meters high to a point 50 meters from the base to the tower. This is, I don't know, for example, this is the tower here, and this is the distance that you want to plug the cable. Yeah, how long should be the measure of the cable? So you can apply here Pythagoras theorem. If you remember the formula, this is the formula. When you want to calculate the hypotenuse, you need to add the another measures of the sides. If you want another side, for example, the perpendicular side or the base, you need to subtract. Okay, so here you know that the height of the tower are 25 meters, and the distance here are 50. You calculate the square of every side, 25 square plus 50 square, and you need to calculate the root square of that, adding. Why? Because you have here a square. If you pass that operation to the other side, it changes the opposite. Yeah, the opposite of the square is root square. So you will calculate here a root square. Yeah, and okay, the square of 25 and the square of 50 you need to add, and the square. Okay, this is the distance of that. Okay, this is all about of theory. Okay, what exercise you will do? You will do the exercise number 1 of the unit number 2. Yeah. Why of the unit number 2 if we are in the unit number 1? Because you can use that triangles for the both units. Yeah. So you will not calculate the angles now yet. Yeah. Only you will find the sides. Okay. The exercise number 1 have six triangles. Okay. So how you will do? For example, here. Yeah. You will find the side C. Okay. You will use equation or formula, and you see equals to, let me change the size. Okay, equals to root squared of 9 2 squared plus, remember, you are calculating a hypotenuse. If you are calculating perpendicular side or base, you need to subtract. Okay, and now 12 square. Yeah, this is okay. Now here is yep, and let me check um, 20, yeah, and now okay, square root I think is I think is 50. Yep. Okay. Okay, this is all that you will do. Yeah, but you need to solve 6 triangles, 6 right triangles. Okay, the exercise number 1 of the unit number 2. Okay guys, this is all for today. I will wait for your homework. See you.